bringing a thought today in front of you all, that is how to overcome and how to be mentally strong when there is a tough situation in your life. What makes you worse in a particular situation, how you will think, and how you will spoil your life over the period of time. Any pain which having some impact in your own life, normally we will think from own shoe and thinking that it's a very tough difficulty which I am facing. None other than in this world is facing the same kind of a situation. That means you are giving the difficulty level in a peak and assuming that the rest of the world is happy. So that is the first cause. Your pain is bringing very up. Keep on, you are increasing the pain level from yourself, not from the outside, because you are comparing with an assumption defined and imagined by you. It's not the fact. If any tough situation is coming in your life, you will compare simply with your own perception and imagination and thinking that other people are very happy by this situation. Whenever you feel that, if you got a tough situation and guess that how other people are feeling, that really the pain is that much impact to me when compared to the others. Assume that you are stuck with the relation, you are not happy about your relation, and your husband is not earning something more when you compare to somebody else. If you compare with very rich person and giving all facilities in their home, maybe you'll feel bad of your own husband, not seeing the goodness in him. The thing is, to make us happy first, we have to compare something which is more worse from the other people, not something which is great with them. The greatness of the other people also will come with a lot of difficulties. It is not coming easily to all of the people in this world, but we will guess that person is happy and getting all let it be properties, assets, whatever they desires, they're surviving happily with all facilities. That doesn't mean that those things comes very easily for them, though happy. What you're seeing outside the world is not true. Somebody is not smiling doesn't mean that he's having a lot of difficulties. Somebody is smiling all the time doesn't mean that he's not at all having any difficulties. It is not like that. Assume that you have some injury in any one of the body part, you feel pain. A small cut with a knife, while cutting an onion, you'll get blood on the finger. You'll feel that it's so much pain. If you see the blood again, you'll feel bad of it and you'll feel that you'll start crying. Assume that there is a guy going on a lorry truck and sleeping on the top of the truck, and suddenly the truck went and crashed into a tree and his hands and legs were crushed in between the lorry and the branch of a tree, and he survived, but his leg was got crushed and getting a pain and coming out the blood. Now you imagine the pain difference. A small cut in a kitchen and the blood is coming, and a person who is suffering really met with an accident. What is the level of difficulty you have to feel for this, and what is the level of difficulty which you have to take it into heart to that? To feel happy, try to compare the worst life which the number of people living in this world and feel happy first, and live happily by seeing what you are having right now. This is your life. That is what it is more important. Something which is not there, we should not think all the time. Something which is there, feel happy for it first thing. From top to bottom, all organs are working. That's the first thing which we have to feel happy. Somebody who is not having a legs, they are surviving. With a strong heart, they are surviving. Somebody's got divorced and running the life and sustaining, and try to learn to the other people what they struggle in their life and try to help each other even in that particular situation. Please see happiness by seeing what you are having it. Take the pain at low level and start comparing with the worst what other people are facing it. Then feel and gain the strength from your small difficulties to cross the difficulties in your own life. Pain is always from our end. How to be taken into heart, how much extent we have to give the tension to our life is in our own hand, not by others. If you find any difficulty in your life, start comparing with the worst happened with others. Then you will feel that, is it a difficulty for me? How extent I have to feel difficult for the small concern. Literally, if you see the world, somebody they may not have a food for the 3 times in a day. You're having it. That is more than enough. Somebody doesn't have a house, but still they are surviving. Somebody doesn't have a nice clothes to wear, still they are surviving. If all are there, why we are not happy in this realistic world? You have to start comparing with others. That is where you have to see and look yourself, what's wrong with me? Is it really how to be worried for the small concern? The pain is how much extent you will take. It will hurt up to that level. Don't keep the high importance and the high level of impact for the small pains in your real life. This is the thought which I wanted to share with you all. Thank you very much. Take care. My name is Hari. I thought of motivating people. Let it be. Whether I am a motivational speaker or not doesn't matter for me. At least start looking to the content, not to me, not to the background. Keep in touch. Thank you very much. Please comment below if you wanted to get clarified for any questions. Please comment below so that it would help. I will reply with a small video or in a small sentence if it's very short and sweet. Thank you very much. Be happy. Keep smiling.